What's going on out there, YouTube family? Coming back at you with another wonderful video. All right, now today we're gonna be looking at it's kind of a little bit of a continuation video, and I started on Waterdrop a couple of days ago, and which was a penny stock or is a penny stock. Waterdrop has done extremely well over the past month, and so we're gonna start it off with that. And I need to let you know this is not financial advice. If you seek financial advice, you should hire a professional. And if you choose to invest, do your own due diligence before buying crypto or stocks. All right, so let's look at Waterdrop here. Now, if you remember the other day, we were talking about its performance here recently. Now, this is in real time as of today. Waterdrop is up 9.9% on the day. Over the past week, it's up 36.4%, and over the past month, it's up 62%. So, keeping that in perspective, if you had invested $1,000 cash a month ago, you would now have $1,625 sitting there with Waterdrop. And so and this is cash app investing, and so that's astronomical growth over a 30-day period. That is not it's not normal. And please bear with me. I'm still a little bit under the weather, but I'm toughing it out. So bear with me. All right. So yeah, Waterdrop, like I said in my last video, I missed the boat on this one. I have been informed that this was very possible, but I didn't follow through and dollar cost average or invest for long-term growth. I did swing trade it back over the summer, and I did make some money with it, but I didn't see any gains like this at that time. So again, I hope you guys were up on Waterdrop and made some money on that. Now let's come out of this and let's look at one of the big daddies when it comes to meme stocks. Gamestop is back in the mix. They put it, like MC Hammer said, they put me back in the mix. That's what Gamestop is yelling. It's up 11.3% on the day, which is the biggest jump I think it's seen in quite some time. And then, of course, it's down on the week 6%, and then on the month it's up 1.9%. So we shall see. I'm going to keep a close eye on GameStop and see what it does over the coming weeks, and I will keep you posted on what I see there. And this here is another penny stock, Yatsen. And just to give, you may not have heard of it, Yatsen is a retail business company. They specialize in beauty products, skincare items, and other cosmetic products. And I do believe they're based out of China, consumer goods. All right, so today Yatsen is up 9%. Over the past week, it's up 11%, and over the past 30 days, check this out, guys, it's up 25%. That's 25% over the past month. And then, of course, we're in a bear market. So over the past year, keeping this all in perspective, it's down 39%. But it has seen some nice gains over the last 30 days. So now check this out here. Now this is a one of your more blue chip stocks, Nvidia, and as you can see, a share price of $171.69. So this is a very, very well established company that a lot of people are invested in, and it's up 6% on the day, which is, for a blue chip stock, that's pretty significant for one day. So that is very worthy of being noted and recognized there. So there we have it. Now I don't do this all the time, but I'll scroll down and look at biggest movers of the day. A lot of times your stocks and companies that are not that well known appear here. Like Rent the Runway is up 74% on the day. Design Therapeutics Now, Design Therapeutics does appear here every now and then, but it's down 33%. Hello Group, 29% up. Very worthy of noting, Carvana is up 29% on the day after a very dismal third quarter. So as you can see here, I'm just being upfront with you guys. I'm doing horrible with Carvana right now. As you can see, I didn't invest a lot. I invested $148, and I'm down $129. But I'm not gonna sell my position right now because I'm down. I'm holding on. I'm very confident, mainly because of the industry, the sector it's in. It will rebound, and I will make money off Carvana. I'm just not gonna touch it right now. But anyway, yeah. But check this out. Right now, the share price is $4.96. Right. Let me highlight this for you guys. Hold on. Right there. $4.96 right now, as of today. So let's keep that in perspective as well. So if you go back to January, let's look at this now. January, it was trading at, and I'm gonna underline it just so you guys can see this. Well, you can see it, like right under where it says Carvana, 15% to the right. And I'm tracing it over the dates. You can see January the 7th of this year, it was trading at $184. But if you go back to December, exactly 1 year ago, it was trading on the 23rd, it was trading at $240 a share. Now, if you got in on this, say right now, when it's severely, like heavily on sale, you get in right now, you know, and let's just say, I'm just throwing a number out there. You throw in $1,200, $400, whatever, you know, $50, whatever, and just hold on to it. Just leave it, you know, keep an eye on it, but just leave it in there. Well, I mean, you know, there are no guarantees, but Carvana is a big company, and this I'm confident that this stock will turn around. So I'm just saying, right now is a great time to cash up. Just, you know, and this is my journey. These are my opinions. So, you know, you don't have to do what I say do. But if you just cash up right now and sit back and watch and strike when the time is right, when you think things are starting to turn, or you see a stock like this that is I mean, saying it's on sale is like an understatement. That's not even the word to use. It's almost like a clearance sale, like, you know, like you go in a store and it's about to close. So, you know, my thing is, I look at it like I don't have anything to lose with Carvana right now. So, in fact, I'm going to, between now and the first of the week, I'm probably gonna double or triple my position in this, because I'm very confident with Carvana based on its history. So that's what I'm doing. What do y'all think about Carvana, man? I mean, I've done quite a few videos on Carvana when it was way up, and then when it started going down. What do you guys think of? I really sincerely think a lot of money can be made, whether you're doing day trading, whether you're swing trading, whether you're doing options, whatever. I think Carvana is one of those stocks that can be one of those pillars, one of the backbones of anyone's portfolio. That's what I think. All right, so I'm not gonna keep this video long, man. That's all I have for y'all today, man. Y'all, I hope y'all are staying, you know, safe and healthy. And hey, if y'all are sick, if y'all got the flu, COVID, or are, you know, either one, they call it a triple threat, take care of yourselves, man. Medicate yourselves and get yourselves there, because, you know, without your health, you don't have anything. So keep that in mind. Y'all have a wonderful rest of the evening. Talk at you soon.